Well, see, this is it. Every kid have played with Tonka trucks and the toys in the backyard in the dirt. And you gonna tell me to come here and make a big one? I'll be right over.
In a world driven by innovation and technology, there are many industries that play a crucial role in shaping how our society functions. One such industry, hidden behind the scenes yet impacting our lives in countless ways, is manufacturing. Terramac is a leading crawler carrier manufacturer based in the heart of St. Louis, Missouri. Our 100,000 square foot facility produces these incredible rubber tracked machines and fuels the economy by creating hundreds of jobs that shape our community's growth.
I just took what I had learned in the backyard, playing with toys, the dump trucks and all of that, back there having a little fun. Now I'm making big ones that go out in the field. We just like to be productive. Have some honor in your job. When you get through building something, it's out there in the field.
My name is Cody Bogren, and I've been a fabricator at Terramac for 6 years. I am thankful that Terramac supported me through an apprenticeship program. I enjoy the hands-on aspect of my job and working with the entire team to transform steel into a durable structure.
My name is DeKale Anderson, and I'm a production technician for Terramac. What I like most about my job is the hands-on work that I get to do and watching nothing turn into something, basically. And all the great people I get to work with. When I was a kid, I always used to take my toys apart, try to put them back together. So that's what really got me into manufacturing. So I was always been hands-on stuff, taking things apart, putting things back together. I feel that this is going to be big for my career because I was one of the first ones here. The CK family they are very supportive. They treat you like family, and that makes me feel comfortable with my job here.
We manufacture 8 crawler carrier models, sparking demand for a wide range of careers that require creativity, engineering brilliance, and hands-on craftsmanship.
When I started, I wanted to know how everything was powered, ran, how it all came together. Being a technician, hands-on. If you can learn from paper and put it out there, it's perfect. But it can be hard, but if you have the will to learn to do it, you can do it.
The impact of manufacturing doesn't stop at the factory gates. The crawler carriers we produce are powerful and versatile machines that tackle projects ranging from construction sites to disaster zones, bringing solutions to the most demanding challenges. Our machines are equipped to take on such challenges due to their remarkable low ground pressure, a design element rooted in our very first model and consistently integrated into every subsequent edition. This low ground pressure distributes weight over a larger area, allowing our machines to access a variety of land and travel on delicate ground without causing damage.
My name is John Clark. I work at Terramac. My role here, I am the tooling specialist. Sometimes we need special tools to do our jobs, like torque wrenches, extensions for all of our sockets, grinders, everything we would need to do the job, I'm in charge of getting. I've actually been an operating engineer for 25 years, so I pretty much ran all the equipment. I just wanted to play in the dirt, and this is dirt equipment. But it was so unique to me once I seen them. I said, man, I wouldn't mind working on them. And being production is special to me. Because now, when that machine's out there and it's rolling around and you see one, you could say I had a hand in building that. It gives you some honor and some dignity up to do your job. Our engineers come up with everything, all the blueprints, all the how we're gonna do the job, step-by-step instructions.
My name is Joe Schwartz. I started here as an intern. During the internship, I learned a lot about design, CAD modeling, and really just the processes that engineers take in order to get a project from an idea to a final product. I've been here for 2 years and loved every second of it.
My name is Don Boyce. I am the plant manager here in the St. Louis Terramac division. Very excited about the opportunities that have been brought to St. Louis from the CK family. I love working in production. The units that we are assembling are amazing units. They are used all over the U.S. and basically the world now. My team, we are building a fantastic team here with our engineering department, our quality department, our assembly production team. We're all coming together to assemble these units, these unique units that are being hand-built here in the United States.
Manufacturing isn't just about creating products. It's about creating the future, empowering societies, and inspiring opportunities.